Can you dodge a Zelle payment? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of digital payments, specifically Zelle. It's become a super convenient way to send and receive money between friends, family, or even for the occasional online purchase. But what happens when you receive a Zelle payment you don't want? Maybe it's from an unknown source, or perhaps there's a misunderstanding about what the payment is for. Can you, like Neo dodging bullets in the Matrix, reject a Zelle transaction? Let's break it down and see what your options are. Here's the short answer. Unfortunately, Zelle payments aren't designed to be reversible. Once the money leaves the sender's account and lands in yours, it's generally considered complete. That might sound a bit harsh, but there's a reason for it. Zelle transactions are meant to be fast and final, similar to handing someone cash. It helps prevent situations where someone could send you money, claim they didn't authorize it, and then get it back later. But hold on a sec, this doesn't mean you're completely out of luck. Here are some scenarios and what you can do. Scenario 1, it's a friend who sent you money by mistake. We've all been there. You meant to pay Sarah for that coffee date, but accidentally sent it to Sandra instead. In this case, the best course of action is to contact your friend directly and explain the situation. Hopefully, they're understanding and can send you their correct Zelle information so you can return the mistaken payment. Scenario 2, you received a payment from an unknown sender. This is a situation where you need to be cautious. Zelle transactions typically only show the sender's name and a short message, but that might not be enough information to trust the source. If you don't recognize the name and the message is vague or suspicious, like mystery payment or thanks for the help, don't touch the money. Here's what you can do. Contact Zelle customer support and report the suspicious transaction. They might be able to place a hold on the funds while they investigate. File a report with the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. Identity theft and scams are unfortunately common, and reporting it helps them track these activities. Consider contacting your bank and explain the situation. They might be able to offer additional security measures or help monitor your account for further suspicious activity. Scenario 3, you believe the payment is part of a scam. If you think you're being targeted by a scam, like someone trying to overpay you for an item you're selling online, absolutely do not touch the money. Scammers often use this tactic to trick you into giving away personal information or sending them additional funds to cover processing fees, which are fake. Here's what to do. Report the scam attempt to Zelle customer support. Block the sender from contacting you through Zelle. If you provided any personal information to the sender, be sure to change your passwords and enable two-factor authentication on your accounts. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Here are some tips to stay safe with Zelle. Only send and receive money from people you know and trust. Never share your Zelle username or linked account information with anyone. Be wary of unsolicited payments, especially if they come with vague messages. If you're unsure about a transaction, don't hesitate to contact Zelle customer support for clarification. When it comes to Zelle, think of it like sending cash. Once it's gone, it's generally gone. But by following these tips and staying vigilant, you can minimize the risk of falling victim to scams and unwanted transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe out there in the digital world.